Module 5, Advanced Pattern and Best Practices. This module is about working professionally with Cloud Code in enterprise environments with compliance consideration with real money at stake. Lesson 5.1, MCP Servers for Salesforce. Real-time org connectivity. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. This is the future of AI tooling. MCP is an open standard of connecting AI to external systems created by Anthropic, now adopted broadly. For Salesforce specifically, MCP enables real-time schema queries versus static claude.md, querying live org metadata on demand, running SOQL against your dev org, reading live record data, getting current setup configuration. Without MCP, your claude.md schema becomes stale. You manually update docs. With Salesforce MCP, schema always remains current. Live data is accessible. It is the bridge from AI knows your product documentation to AI knows your project in real time. MCP server ecosystem is rapidly evolving. Best Salesforce specific option will be linked in the course resources. Practical use cases for Salesforce MCP. Without MCP, your schema in claude.md gets stale every time someone adds a field. You have to manually update docs. You can't query live data during development. With MCP, schema always is current. Claude queries the org directly. Query live records during development. Validate field reference in real time. Get setup configuration on demand. Cross-reference Apex code with actual org state. As of recording, Salesforce-specific MC servers are emerging. Some community-built ones are available. Anthropic and Salesforce ecosystem are building official ones. You should go to Claude AI and check the available MCP servers over there. Even with where we are now, basic MCP setup is worthwhile. Configuring MCP servers. Configuration file lives at .claude/mcp settings.json. This is an example setup. You have to specify the MCP server name, the command to launch it, any environment variable needed. For Salesforce specific server, you typically include the SF org alias as an environment variable. After setup in Claude Code, type /mcp and then list the configure server and their status. Specific Salesforce MCP servers are evolving. Current best options still will be in course resources. The setup pattern is the same regardless of which server you use. Get the setup pattern down. Swap servers as the ecosystem matures. Don't worry about getting this perfect right now. Module 1 claude.md approach works great until MCP servers mature. Now let's see in VS Code how we can create an MCP setting.json file. So I went to the .cloud folder. There I created a file by name MCP setting.json. And over here, this is the configuration file which I have created. Now, anytime in future, if you're going to change the MCP server, you just have to come and change the argument over here. and this will be the server URL. So once you have created it, you can save the file, and then you shall be able to see this particular MCP server. Right now it is just a dummy one, but once you start using an MCP server, just come and change the arguments over here. And in the environment, we normally specify the org alias. Going back to presentation.